Um, I would like everybody's thoughts and hearts go out to Emily and her family. Um, Mine actually go out to everybody because you will be in this situation soon. I hope you take it as well as she does. Oops.
Hello, brothers and sisters. Real quick, short, but my town is on fire. Fire all around us, really close, actually on our road. Much love to you guys. Time to head up to the mountains. Bye.
And I've noticed something's going on, folks.
A difficult travel weekend for many at South Florida airports and across the country. WPTV's Joel Lopez is live at Palm Beach International with more on the delays and cancellations there. Joel.
Hey, John. Yeah, people we spoke with say the most surprising thing has been that these delays and cancellations are happening in the middle of the holiday weekend. And here at PBI, there have been about 31 delays and 7 cancellations, but those numbers look much, much bigger nationwide. According to the flight tracking website FlightAware, so far today there have been over 1,300 canceled flights and nearly 12,000 delays among those passengers we spoke with who say they flew in from Boston.
I'm just going over some of these headlines, and they're talking about the season's first hurricane. It is not hurricane season. Russian troops heading into eastern Ukraine. Yeah, the globe's on fire. And yes, these are fires. These are just new fires that either are contained or they're not sure how big they are. We're out. 4 days old. 12 hours. This one's controlled. Active 11 hours. Undetermined. Undetermined. 14 hours. But as you can see, I mean, God, dude, I'm not gonna sit here and click on all this. I've done the research. The goddamn globe's on fire. um, I don't know, man. I went out there a little bit ago. Was looking at the sky before the sun come up. Birds were all chirping. Sky was all fucking brilliant blue. And the sun started coming up, and I'm noticing just lightning flashes all up in my sky before sunrise there, and wasn't no damn clouds around. Anyway, this may or may not happen tonight and tomorrow night. Have a good day.